Hi all, this is Munif. Uh, I'm the CEO of the company, the RDK Revenue. Today I'm going to talk about CDN, how it's working for the RDK Revenue and the step by one. Okay, first, what is a CDN? CDN is content delivery network. So why is the important of the CDN? Okay, mainly you need to increase your web's traffic. This is what the CDN has given that because you already sign up with the different network. Okay, you have the hosting provider giving only for example, I'm taking you are you purchasing your server in the US. Okay, but your customers is located on like India or the somewhere. Okay, they need to access your website. That time the website's loading is very slow. Okay, they need to give up the more faster than is the average. This is why that's why has needed the Syrian CVS. Okay, we have the more than 23 data centers. Okay, so you can understand how it's our Syrian has baking for that and have. Okay, we have the different the data center. You can today I'm only showing how to fetch, how what are the pricings. You can compare with the different the cloud services and everything. Okay, you can compare with that and you can understand what exactly adding is doing. Okay, first of all you can come to the RDK website. You can type RDK revenue. When you type this automatically loading on that website within the second. Okay, this is the website. You can go through all the other features we have that and everything. You can get it for the very cheapest price we giving on that are the CDN. In home page you can see the CDN $7.99 as well, cheap. And you can, if you want to go to the product, you can see the global saves as well. We giving on the different dashboard as well. You can get it for the different panel everything under the global cd. You can log into your dashboard. You can get it everything. You will get in the two dashboard. One is the our control panel. Another one is client manager. Another one is a CDN control panel. The different, because why we is keeping in the different dashboard, you can easy to manage everything. But in the control panel through, you can log into the our CDN panel as well. Easiest way you can easier the easy customer panel as well. That would be easy. Okay, so now I'm going to click the CDN. Okay, you have the CDM Premium and CDM Pro as well. You can click that and it's automatically redirected to the CDN website. Okay, this is the global CDN. You can see that, for example, but this is what I already explained. RDK's revenue global CDN service accurate the customs website performing improve the mobile loading speed and the uptime. You know, you need to get the uptime speed. Okay, for example, you need to increase the website traffic. For example, one of custom is coming for the India, one of the customs coming for the Australian, other customs coming for the London. You need to get the more traffic with that. Suddenly all of the many more than the coming the customers, lot of the coming customers going slow or sometimes down. Uptime is going to down. So why how it's helping for that the CDN. Okay, so you can understand that the global CDN how is working our. So I will go through that. Okay, so let me easiest for you can see that we have the many customers. We have the more than CDN. All the customers getting free CDNs who has purchased for like a VPS or and dedicated servers. They will get it for the free CDN as well. So you can go through the cheap the CDNs. So first you can what the fast, safe, cheapest service. We giving the safe as well. So in the global the CDNs are the global CDNs. Just I give the small the definitions. You can understand that. You can read it for that our website as well. RDK revenues offer ultra fast static dynamic content delivery over our global internet. Excuse the prices control over how you content is catch. For example, you they get the can be help for the your band with the cost everything is can be help for you. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, so in case you can see the two type of category. One is a CDN Pro, CDN Premium. Okay, you can unlimitedly you can host your domain URL and everything. CDN services. You can see that. Okay, what is the difference benefit of the CDN Pro and the CDN Premium as well? The unlimited domain both the same per 1 million per account. You can 200 GB transfer amount like 200 GB data. You can catch up that everything in that as well. 5 minutes limit detail. You can the detail limit as well. CDM Premium is no limit for that. Pre-analyze, pre-analyze, IP blocking, IP blocking as well. Token authentications, reference blocking, private traffic. You can check it with the private traffic as well, and the full dynamic site, the WAF wireless. That the WAF is you will not get it for the CDN Pro, but in the CDN Premium you will get in the free and the free full WAF, but you will get in that, but it's a dynamics not site, but we give the basic thing you can get it. Premium you can get in the both 10 page rules as well you get in that, but the CDN Pro you will get in that 50-page rule and no coverage fee, any hidden fee, anything free soft limit. So everything is soft limit, free fire use clauses, everything is you can see that no user change. Okay, it's billing. Like for example, if you use more than 201 GB, no, we are not charging anything. So you can see that as well. So its cost is very cheap. You can see the 7.99 dollar. Okay, so when you the premium, if you want to go through the premium, you can see on that the price is at 27.99 per month. Okay, you can go up in the demand, increase web profile and everything. You can understand that what is the CDN and how is working, uptime as on 99 and everything, enterprises plan. You can is a very useful for that. When you go through the buy for the RDK Revenue CDN Pro, you will get in the two things. Okay, you will get in the free support as well. We are checking with the every end of the day your website traffic and everything. If you are having issue with the, for example, you having issue with some of the region, or some of the attackers are coming with your website, don't worry, we working on that the weekly basics malware, so that the firewall services as well, that would be better. You need to protect your website as well. Okay, so don't worry about that, so it will be getting the free malware as well. Every account we giving the free malware services. So okay, so you can check in the check with the different uh, region as well. Okay, different what do you call, you can check with another the computer as well. You can easy to CDN service. Okay, so I will show you how that the CDN has the different the provider agency, how be they giving on that as well. So then you can understand that what is the different between our price and your price thing. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, that the comparison CDM plan. Okay, so the Belgium CDM is per GB they will charging for the $0.1. Same thing stock plan they charging. So different, you can see that. Okay, all of the things that different categories, but we giving the we are not charging anything for that any different charge. Okay, for example, any extra GB. For example, you have used for the per month the CDM Pro, have you used for the 200 GB per transfer. If it means we are adding the bonus of 10 GB to your account. Okay, it's every month they will get in the 10 GB bonus. Okay, so that would be the great for you all. Okay, the 10 GB is bonus for every all the CDN plan in the plans getting that. Okay, CDN Pro will get in the 10 GB. The CDN Premium is getting the 25 GB extra bonus on the traffic as well. So that would be better for you all. Okay, so when you come to the, you can see that is a, we can order for the 7.99. So I already explained about that. So you can just click that, automatically it's go through the our panel, the custom panel. Just you can enter the your domain. For example, you can type like we have typed the like a different enter that. If you want to go with the yearly or monthly, you can just collect and you can process that, but it's a mandatory, and click that, otherwise the account will be not creating anything. So that would be create for you all. Okay, once you click that, you can come to our panel is like a, okay, so our panel is a different token, so you can need to go through everything that. Okay, we giving the everything, all the panel, the easiest way you can see on that. Okay, on see pages, you can get it all the benefit for everything. You can see all the, what are the benefit we have that we giving the website security as well. You can see that. Okay, different video will go through that. You can get it the difference, the free, the malware app, all the website you will get in the free as well, free malware removal as well. You can check it for that. It's like a CDN. CDN. It's a different. Why it's the main benefit for you all. You can you will get in the extra benefit when you purchase like website security. The dashboard you will get in the one CDN free services help as well. All the free plan you will get in the CDN as well, like a 20 GB the free in the plan, all the plan that. Okay. Anyway, if you have any questions, you can visit to our customers panel. You can click. Uh, you can contact with the RD and the messages through, or you can contact with the direct customers online. Is 24 hours available. Don't worry if you have any issue. We will the remote through all the things we are connecting. Okay. If you don't know how to use it, or if you don't know how to integrate with, will help. We are helping on that, the 24 support service. Don't worry, we have the more security. We are in the cybersecurity industry as well, so don't worry about your protection. High for us, so very cheap, and you'll get in the all the things from the CDN from us. You can that would be great for all. We will updating on the all the things, the futures, new products, and that all the customers get in for the one place for that as well. Thank you so much. Looking for that. We hope you can understand the CDNs, how it's making for the articles covering for the services. Thank you for watching.